technology. The importance of people's life in human health is undisputed. With the development of technology, great changes and developments have started in the field of health. Together with these changes in the technological field, classical and traditional data centers have been used decades ago. Traditional data centers nowadays are replaced by cloud, fog and edge computing. The main reasons are increased amount of data to be stored, the need to share and transmit stored data, the requirement to analyze stored data. Now I would like to conclude that every technological mission and concept may not be good or appropriate for every application. But therefore, fog, edge and cloud computing technologies are very important for us as they help in searching more and more about applications. I am very thankful for Jonas, for our respected Jonas sir, all the principals of the three branches and all the teachers and to all my